This is a short video really to tell you a little bit about the new MI online course which I will be delivering in the near future. I have just run the pilot course for this, and so it was very successful, and you can certainly see some of the testimonials further down on this page if you want to have a look and decide whether the course is for you or whether it's the type of thing you need. Now, the type of skills you're going to require on this course are certainly going to help you convert prospective clients. Because of the nature of motivational interviewing, it helps clients or prospective clients come to the conclusion that they need to make the change, move forward. So it's very useful when you're talking to a new client in terms of trying to onboard them in your system. So in the current climate where you're maybe having to do this online, having good motivational interviewing skills is going to be really valuable to you in terms of converting any leads you may get. That's certainly one aspect. Another very important aspect is it's going to improve your overall client retention, because now you're going to be able to monitor psychological readiness throughout the whole course of your client's time with you. And by measuring this readiness, it will give you a heads up as to how your client is doing psychologically. Are they progressing? Are they starting to regress? And the good thing about this is because you can monitor this, if things start to go in the wrong direction, it allows you to get in early and find out what's going wrong and use your MI skills to basically get the client back on track. And if you consider the average client is most probably worth in the region of £4,000 to £5,000 per annum to a trainer, then in terms of return on investment, this course is really good value. And if you keep one client, it's paid for itself tenfold. So just bear that in mind when you're thinking about, do I really need to do this? And in this current climate, the last thing you need to do is lose clients. So this is certainly going to kind of help you out there. Being able to offer this service as a fitness professional, trainer, coach, whatever it may be, offers you a unique selling point. So when you're going to market, when you're thinking about how you're going to market your services, you've now got another string to your bow. You're going to psychologically assess your clients, see where they are, see how ready they are to change, only take them on when they are ready to change. So again, that's kind of quite ethical as well. So there are plenty of plus points or reasons why you need to do this course. And certainly some of the testimonials, if you watch them or read them below, kind of support that view. It's not just me saying that. I've written a brand new manual for this course, which is very comprehensive, totally referenced, so you can be confident that everything you're learning is coming from an evidence-based background. I've submitted all the course to the Association for Nutrition for certification. So I've kind of put the content in front of other people and said, you assess it, you tell me what's wrong, right, whatever. So we've got lesson plans for everything. Everything's got learning outcomes. So very structured and externally verified. So you can be confident that the content that you're being given is scientific, evidence-based, up to date. And I think that's quite important when you're thinking about where you're going to spend your education budget. That's a real plus point. The course is now evaluated throughout. So after every module, you go away and you actually submit a 5-minute or 5 to 10 minute video back to me of you working with one of your actual clients. And then I give you feedback on a regular basis. So over the length of the course, you're developing all the skills. It's not just a case of, well, there you go, off you go. I'm actually evaluating them, giving you feedback so as you're able to hone these skills. So by the end of the 4 weeks, when you've completed all 4 modules, you've really kind of got this nailed down. So each module's assessed. So hopefully that's given you a little bit of an overview. It's all done online. Each module runs for about 2.5 hours. And as I say, all content is supported. And so to summarize what you're going to get out of this, if you do this course, and hopefully you will want to, it will help your clients make a behavior change, whether that be for weight management, fitness, even stopping smoking, improving diet. These are all lifestyle behavior change that MI, motivational interviewing, will help you and help the client facilitate. They will help you convert new prospects into long-term clients, which obviously has big value. As I say, average clients must probably be worth about £4,000 or £5,000 a year to a trainer. They're training a couple of times a week. So good value there, turn them into a long-term prospect. and improve your client retention. So it saves on the cost of losing a client, which no trainer wants to do. So hopefully you can see the value in doing this course. If you have got questions, if you're really still unsure, I'm happy to drop me a Facebook message or contact me via the website, and I'm happy to address any issues you may have. Hopefully I'm going to see you on the course very soon. I only have 9 students per course, so I'm envisaging these will fill quite quickly. And the reason I only have 9 students is I need that personal interaction with everybody, and I need to be able to assess and give feedback to everybody. So you're going to get plenty of time with me individually to develop your skills. Thank you, and I look forward to working with you in the near future. Cheers then.